solo.
Okay.
Oh, one of the servers just went offline again. No.
Bruh. He just spawned inside of me. Okay, I guess resets. Like, boom.
Texting and driving.
Excuse me, Linksy.
Yes, perfect.
Let go of me!
Okay, now we go. Whoa. Yeah, I need a new rear end because I got front damage.
I just bought the Lux because I thought it was a nice car.
I might just hop on.
Okay.
I might just hop on
yeah. I eat kids.
You're going to China now. Oh!
Job. Oh yeah, job market.
In my home.
Well, I'm gonna kidnap.
Where do you think you're going, little man?
What? What? What?
See Nexus, but not for long. I'm not a Nexus again.
I'm sorry.
You just
I'm sorry. I didn't mean.
I've been shunked.
Oh man, you got a license for that.
That was Bar Archer that rammed you next.
This car was practically made for going off-road. No, you can't. No. I'm not going sideways. I'm going straight. I'm not jumping. I am not No, I'm not sideways. No, that's a pole. No, I'm not about to be every German ever. I'm not about to be every German ever and hit a pole. What up? You only get that if you're a history nerd, but you know.
Wait. Can you guys reset at the starting?
Gas. I'm gonna step on the gas. And be a hero. Dick! I was already next to you on my screen! I was already next to you! On my screen, man! Why would you do that? Did I do? Fun! I was being a kid, okay? And then you ruined it. I mean, I can drive. Yeah, sure, you can copy it. Completely destructive wheel spin. That's true for me at least. Are you flooring it right now? There's no way you're flooring. No, I'm ignore it. It just spins out after a time. 5. See, you're already starting to crash. See? It's not that hard to drive, he says. Famous last words.
Stop.
The B chat is asking for it. I wish Corbel was dealing his ass.
I traded the ETK 800 and the ETKI, which I had traded for. I traded the SVR for that, so I've just been trading up for a ball item. Finally on one.
I'm glad I have the ABS variant
Yeah.
of this.
Quasper, I've paid you your 10 grand.
Yeah.
What's behind me? Oh! I know what's behind me now. What's behind me? I know what's behind me now.
On my end, I just see my favorite thing to do when someone's on my ass is doing this.
Linksy. Oh my.